This new Chinese AI agent is insane. You are wasting hours every week because you're lazy. Because the tools you use don't talk to each other. Switching tabs. You're copying and pasting. You're writing the same update in 5 different places. And the worst part? All your best ideas are buried in Slack. Right there. Just sitting there. Never getting done. That changes today. What's up? I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and I help people actually learn and use AI tools so they can work smarter and get more done. Today we're looking at Manus AI and its brand new Slack integration. 3 different ways to bring an autonomous AI agent directly into your workspace. Once you see what it can do, you're going to want to set this up immediately. First, let me quickly cover what Manus actually is, because if you haven't heard of it yet, you need to. Manus launched on March 6, 2025. Built by a Chinese startup called Butterfly Effect, also known as Monika. Went viral almost immediately. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey was talking about it. Hugging Face's product lead was talking about it. People were calling it the second DeepSeek. It's why. Most AI tools are chatbots. You ask, they respond. That's it. Manus is an autonomous agent. You give it a task, it plans the steps, executes them, and delivers a finished result. No hand-holding required. It uses multiple AI models working together, including fine-tuned versions of Alibaba's open-source Qwen. Runs in what they call Manus's computer, a cloud-based workspace where you can watch it work in real time and step in whenever you want. Technology Review described using it as like collaborating with a highly intelligent and efficient intern. Explains its reasoning, asks clarifying questions, and remembers what you've told it. Launch, it outperformed OpenAI's deep research on the Gaia benchmark, which is a comprehensive test for real-world AI task performance across multiple difficulty levels. By December 2025, Manus had hit $100 million in annual recurring revenue. Meta acquired the company for around $2 billion. This is not a side project. This is one of the most significant AI tools out there right now. Now it lives inside Slack. Here's the problem this solves. Your team's best decisions and workflows happen in Slack. But when it's time to actually execute the work, you leave Slack, switch to another tool, and do it yourself. That context switch is where time gets lost. Manus lets you delegate the actual execution right from inside the conversation where it started. There are 3 distinct ways to do that, and they work very differently from each other. Stay with me, because knowing which one to use when is the whole game. First is the Manus agent. Install the Manus app in Slack and you get a dedicated DM tab, just like messaging a colleague. You tell it what you need and it runs the task. What separates this from a regular AI chat is persistent memory. Manus remembers your past conversations and builds on them. Preferences, your instructions, your feedback all carry forward. You never have to re-explain context. Here's what that looks like. You ask Manus to review specific channels every morning at 9 a.m. and send you a summary of key decisions and action items. It does it automatically every day without you having to ask again. You're in a taxi between meetings. You DM Manus your rough notes on your phone, and by the time you walk in the door, there's a finished 1-pager waiting for you. You need to draft a sensitive client update. You share your rough bullet points in the DM, iterate in private until it's right, then forward the polished version to the channel. One sees the messy first draft. This is your personal AI assistant living inside Slack. When I first started using tools like Manus, I was genuinely overwhelmed trying to figure out where to start. That's actually why I built a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Your workflows, your use cases, taught me which tools are worth my time and which ones to skip. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in the description. Let's get into the second way because this is where teams unlock real value. The second is the Slack integration, which lets you tag Manus directly in any channel thread. Your product team debates a new checkout flow in a thread. 50 messages later, there's a decision buried in there. Instead of a PM having to write it all up, you tag Manus and ask it to generate a full product requirements document based on the thread. It reads everything, then posts a complete draft right there in the channel for everyone to review. Or a client drops a 40-page strategy PDF into a channel. You tag Manus, ask it to pull out the 3 main objectives and suggest clarifying questions for your next call. Done in seconds instead of an hour. Important distinction from the agent. This mode has no persistent memory. Each thread is a fresh task. For immediate team-facing work where everyone needs to see the input and the output, this is the right tool. Third is the Slack connector, and this is the most powerful of the 3. The connector uses something called Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It gives Manus the ability to read your Slack channels and send messages on your behalf. But this one is triggered from the Manus web app at manus.im, not from inside Slack itself. Why does that matter? Scheduled automated work across your entire workspace You set a recurring task in the Manus web app to read your engineering channel every Friday at 4 p.m., summarize the week's deployed features, and post a consolidated update to your company announcements channel. But as a bot, it's you. You get the credit. Manus does the work. You ask Manus to search all public channels for mentions of a specific project from the last 48 hours, find the blockers, and send you a private summary. On command, and it synthesizes everything across every channel you've authorized it to access. And that's important to flag. Manus only reads the channels you explicitly invite it into. It does not touch private messages without specific authorization. You are always in control of what it can access. This up is fast. For the agent and Slack integration, go to the Agents tab at manus.im, click Get Started, select the Slack tab, and hit Continue in Slack. View permissions, click Allow. Done. You can now DM Manus or tag it in channels. For the Slack connector, open the Manus web app, click the plus icon below the text input, scroll to Add Connectors, search for Slack, connect it. That's it. One thing to know up front. Paid Slack plan is required for the AI integration features. Free plan won't work. Here's where it gets interesting. The real power isn't in using one of these modes, it's in combining all three. The client sends a strategy document into a channel Monday morning. You tag Manus in the thread to analyze it and pull out the key objectives. Team discusses it. By Thursday, there's a decision. You open the agent DM and ask Manus to draft the deliverable based on what was agreed. Then on Friday, the Slack connector posts the finished summary to the client-facing channel under your name, looking like you spent the whole week on it. 3 tools. Workflow. 0 extra apps. This is what actually using AI looks like, not just running one-off prompts. Building systems where the tools handle the execution and you handle the thinking. If you want to go deeper on AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working? What's not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype, just solid, practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are getting serious results with AI. If this was useful, hit subscribe. There's a lot more coming and you don't want to miss it.